Bring out Koboko and wake up the bastard. Old ruthless on. You put them to sleep with your useless song. And now the step too long. Bring out
Oga, how this morning go be now?
You don't worry. Immediately you see all those boys they go club, those boys inside car, wake me up.
Victor, what's up now? How far that big now? On the look, how you go be God that damn you paro now? You know Ivan, you chop on me, I know you. Chop on.
Yeah, 2 seconds.
2 seconds.
Still don't do.
You sabi them?
Boy,
they don't, nothing dey. They don't stop me before. This time we die here.
Guy,
Who carry exhibit abeg?
I'll show them the way.
Make them try anyhow. Yeah, no see as they go. Make them try anyhow. You go. I know.
They can't shoot now.
You park this car. All of you go down. Park.
Officer.
Park this car.
Officer.
Go down, all of you.
This same guy. You don't know the guy.
Now when they shout, I will kill you.
Park, go down, my friend, go down.
So I'm not going to choose this guy.
Anyhow, we won't be guy. I'll change him.
For Zoom up.
don't hello me. Use your mates. Line up. Compose yourself, oh. Are you students? My God, students, oh.
Hey, let them come here. All of them, bring them there.
Oh my days.
What's it that they call that drink again, sir?
They criminal.
Green bottle.
Students,
Respect yourself.
who is that one?
This one, you better say now with your kingpin.
Okay,
Respect yourself.
you dey hear me? This is where you dey born first like this. What are you up to? You
You again?
Are you
My
going?
God, you don't sabi this guy.
I will kill you. I will waste your life.
Oh, Naim, collect the phone.
I go knock you. You dey want
Collect your the mat.
Go kneel down for this.
Who said you don't collect phone again? Come here.
Go kneel down for
Come
this.
down here.
Officer, this is my house. Who be your mates?
We be harassing you. You mean we harassing you?
First offense.
I will make up. Stand up.
Officer.
We.
Stand up.
Who are you?
Respect yourself. Bros. You don't touch the officer of the government. Respect yourself. How can we help you?
Jesus!
Which school are you from? Eh? Babcock. Did you say Babcock?
Jesus!
Can we know you?
Just looking for admission.
You will end up in McDonald's!
Which school?
That's protect.
Jesus!
Last protect. Why last protect? Let me see your phone.
There's nothing there, sir.
Bring it.
Something there.
The phone don't even crack for us.
Give him. Wait, go sit down for a second. Give him. Ah, my guy. I know you. Your daddy is my good friend.
Jesus!
We went to school together. Yeah. Others are babes there. Good boy. I will bust your head. I will blow your head.
Not supposed to be us. Now you can't allow the people who get money make them come out.
Will you keep short?
It's money or not.
I will kill you.
Oh shit.
Where's your sponsor?
Here we go again.
What's your
Where's your sponsor? Where's your sponsor in this country?
Everything has a price.
to this
Where's
day?
your sponsor?
Everything has a
Are
price.
you telling me that?
Let's listen. You understand? One by one, one on one.
What have I done? Compose yourself.
You will do what?
You will do what?
I will kill you.
I will beat you.
Kill you.
We need to follow them.
What the vehicle?
I need to follow now today.
Enter the vehicle.
Enter the vehicle.
Every day.
Enter vehicle.
Now they collect money. Shoot me or if you not shoot me, I must die today. Now today I
Enter
must
the
die.
vehicle.
I don't tell you since me you kill us. You know what? See my chest. Shoot the gun here. Put on here. Put on here.
Don't
Make
never
you kill
shoot.
me,
Maybe
kill
I
me,
can walk out
kill
before
me.
you shoot. Calm down. Everything has a price.
To this day.
What do you want? Talk to me. Bami sir.
Cobra.
Yes.
Cobra.
Shut up. Me not going to
I'll
go.
teach your child.
Me not going to go. Me not going to go.
Be a girl. I'll do back.
Me not
I'll
going to
kill
go.
you.
Lala Kibo.
May I come dey go? May I dey go?
Your daughter will come to my school.
You know you can be
prosecuted for that. Victor, when we go, Joe, your daughter will come to my school.
I will kill you.
Oh, Lelu. Hey.